Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to open the task manager, and once we're here, click on run new task, then select browse button. Now go to this PC, open C drive, open Windows folder, open system32 folder, and now find out cmd.exe file. Just select it and click on open. Now check this box. This will create this task with administrative privileges, and click on OK. Now close the background windows and we need to focus on the window. Type these commands and hit enter to execute them. Simply type netsh space winsock reset and hit enter. Then type in ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. Then type ipconfig space /renew, and in the last we need to type in netsh intip reset. Once done, simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. But before that, go to device manager, expand network adapter, select the particular driver, open its properties, go to drivers tab, click on update driver and select the first option. If this not work, just go back, select browse my computer for drivers, select let me pick and select the model, click on next, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Just close the window and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.